Hi, everybody. Are you looking for a beautiful new construction neighborhood right outside of Winston-Salem in Clemmons, North Carolina? Everybody knows me. My name is Lisa. I am here right now with my friend Amber. She is the home advisor for MUNGO Homes in the gorgeous neighborhood in Clouds Harbor. And Clemmons is right off of Hampton Road. Just minutes from anything you need, grocery shopping, restaurants, all that fun stuff. But you're out here in the country in trees and woods, and it's just such a nice area. But I'll let her tell you a little bit more about it. There's not too many houses left, right?
We're getting close to the end. We call it a hidden gem. As Lisa mentioned, we are kind of tucked away with a country feel, but we are close to so many conveniences. I think we've got like 7 or 8 grocery stores within minutes.
The YMCA.
We've got Tanglewood Park, restaurants and shopping. It's just been a really great location for a lot of folks. Currently, we're in a really good school district as well, so we've been sought out for that. It's been so popular, so we're getting close to the end out here, but we still have 10 wonderful opportunities left. We have some with primary on the main. We have some opportunities with the primary upstairs. We have 2 and 3 car garage options left.
That's awesome.
And we've got mostly 2 stories, but we've got 1.5 story left as well. So a lot of really good choices still.
That's good. And when you ride through the neighborhood, it is a nice quiet area, and the finishes on the exterior are so nice. You get brick, stone, vinyl, just a unique variety of home styles. And I like the ones with the balcony at the top on the second floor going outside. Those are really pretty too. So finishes that already been selected for the new homes, or is there any customization?
So for our remaining homes, they're all market homes where we've pre-selected everything.
Okay.
But again, we have a really great variety. And we do have one Saluda left, which is the home with the option to have a balcony. This one won't have a balcony, but it's still got a really good size of Saluda.
Okay, good. And the finishes that they have selected for all these houses, you guys are just gorgeous. The designer must be amazing, because they do, like we'll see in the kitchen, 2-tone cabinetry and nice quartz and unique touches that you see in houses. They do a really good job. Any other neighborhoods you want to highlight?
We've got a lot of really great neighborhoods. We have Brook Hill in Lewisville. We have Braden and Advance. We have Haynes Lake in Winston-Salem. And then we've got some really good new neighborhoods coming. We'll have another one coming hopefully soon in Clemmons called Stapleton.
Okay.
And another one in Lexington called Fieldstone that will be opening soon.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Okay. I love MUNGO Homes because it's not just a tract builder. They do a really good job with their homes. They don't go up, just like that. They take care in everything they do with their houses. So it'd be a really good investment for you if you're looking for new construction and somebody great to work with. And me too.
Yeah.
So
we'd love to work with you. Call Lisa and she'll bring you out.
Yes, there you go. You had mentioned incentives that you have those time and again.
Yes, so we are typically running some kind of incentive. If you use our preferred lender, Silverton Mortgage, you'll get a $3,500 lender incentive to use towards closing costs. And then we also sometimes run builder incentives. I'm currently waiting on the new one to come out, but they typically range in prices and sometimes go all the way up to $20,000.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Well, we'll keep our eye open for that. You'll let me know. Anything else?
We have a variety of great opportunities left, ranging from 2,100 square feet up to 3,200 square feet. Most of them have 2-car garage. We have one left with 3-car garage. And it's just, again, location, location, location.
Yeah.
It's a really great place to be.
Yes. Price ranges.
10 remaining opportunities range in price from $430,000 to $565,000.
Nice. Not bad. Because you get a lot of square footage, everything brand new, nice neighborhood, clean, well taken care of. And like she said, you're convenient to everything, and you can hop on 40 if you work in Winston or anything like that. If you need anything, give me a call. My information will be below. We'll give you a little tour of this one and a couple other houses in here too.
Call Lisa. Come see me.
We are still at the model home in Clouds Harbor in Clemmons, and just love the detail and everything that they do here. Nice LVT floors, fireplace, just little nooks that you see in there. And look at that archway into the kitchen. Look at that there. These great quartz countertops. I love the 2-tone cabinetry here. This is a beautiful kitchen. And it will be for sale. Not too much longer. And a study at the end of the hallway and a full bath down here. And then upstairs, we have primary cabinetry. Wait till you see how big this primary is. Look at that. Great natural light too. Love the detail in the ceiling. Little sitting area. Great size closet. And then of course the master bath. Walk-in shower. Nice detail in the tile. Double sink vanities. Porch on the top. So I gotta say, ladies and gentlemen, these are some beautiful homes here. We'll go touring down one real quick. Okay, so we are now in the Jameson, the empty house for sale, and it's so beautiful, nice and airy. And I got Amber here with me again, and she's going to tell you a little bit about the house.
Hey everybody, this is the Jameson floor plan, as Lisa mentioned. The primary is on the main level in this home. It's about 2,400 square feet. We're sitting on a lot size that's about 1/4 of an acre. This house is currently listed at $430,000. It's a really amazing house. We've got a sunroom with really nice bright light that it brings in with all the windows. We've done a lot of upgrades in this home, and we have 2 of these homes available. This one has 2 bedrooms and a large bonus room upstairs. The bonus room does have a closet. And then we've got another Jameson available a few more lots up the street. It is very similar in layout. Instead of having the large bonus room, it has 3 bedrooms upstairs and a much smaller bonus room. So if you need that extra space upstairs, it would give you 4 rooms upstairs, where this one has 3. Both really great houses. And we hope you'll call Lisa to come see us.
Thank you for that. It is a beautiful home. I love the wood grain cabinetry, quartz countertops. Look at the big deep sink. Like she said, there's a great sunroom off of here with lots of light. Then we'll walk into the primary bedroom down the hall. Of course, you got a little half bath. Everybody needs that. Great size laundry room. Can't miss that. Back up, and look how big this master bedroom is. Great ceiling. Now look at the closet. Closet space galore. Love it. This bathroom is beautiful with a walk-in shower. Again, you got the double vanities with the wood tone, black frame around the black fixtures. And look at that. It's so pretty. Can't you just see yourself in this house? So now we're upstairs on the 2nd floor of the Jameson, and you look right into the bathroom. Look how pretty the wood cabinets are. Black details around the frame. Great tub shower unit. One great thing about this one is, look at this huge bonus room. Very nice. Great size closet in every bedroom. You just get a lot of great storage space. And then we'll flip around. We have 2 more really good sized bedrooms back here. This one has a little niche in it, a little sitting area, and look at the closet space. Shelves and hanging. Then we have 1 more bathroom, or excuse me, 1 more bedroom. And look again at the closets. I know you probably think I'm crazy videoing closets all the time, but it's hugely important. So we're going to walk in a new construction home. Got a little bit of activity going on here, but right now we have the walls framed and insulated. Got sheetrock sitting here ready to go up. Electrical started, plumbing in there, and this is a very cool house too. See, they even did archways going in here. Such cool detail. Nice archway there. And there's Amber. Hey,
welcome.
You're so dark. Wait a minute. Okay, there we go.
Welcome to our Bates floor plan. This is actually the last 1-story we have left in Clouds Harbor. However, we did add an upstairs, so it's technically a 1.5 story. 3-bedroom and 2-bath on the main level. So you've got all your primary living with laundry and everything on the main level. And then we added a bonus room upstairs with a full bathroom and walk-in closet. So your guests have a wonderful place to stay when they come visit. Yeah.
That's very cool. Yeah, I love one-level homes. So you don't have to go downstairs all the time. So this is going to be an island here in the kitchen.
This will be a wonderful island in the kitchen.
And everything's nice and open.
We've got a gas line for a gas stove.
Oh, cool. Okay. Corner fireplace. Yeah, this is going to be an awesome house. We'll try to keep up with it if it doesn't get sold between then. And if you don't want it to get sold to someone else, give me a call and we'll get you in here. Like she said, there's 10 homes left and we'd love to get you guys in one of them.
Thank you. Come see us. Call Lisa.